Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to Pump.fun. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is head on over to Pump.fun. Then once you're here, this little pop-up might appear that says how it works. So Pump ensures that all created tokens are safe to trade through a secure and battle-tested token launching system. So have a read of that and then click on I'm ready to pump. And then once you're here, there's going to be some flashing, all that carry on. But on the far right hand corner, it's going to say connect wallet. But before you connect wallet, you need to make sure you've got your Phantom wallet installed on Google Chrome or whatever web browser you're using for this. So as you can see, I've got my Phantom wallet installed, and make sure to log in as well. So I'm just going to quickly log in here. Alright, so I'm logged into my account, so I'm just going to click out of that. Now I'm going to click on that connect wallet button here, and then it'll say log in or sign up. Just skip that part, and under there it will say Phantom, so click onto Phantom. Your Phantom pop-up will appear on the top right hand side and it will say connect Pump.fun. Confirming will allow this site to view balances and activity for the selected account 1. So only connect websites you trust. We trust Pump.fun. So go ahead and click on connect. Then it will say sign message. So signing this message will prove you have ownership of the selected account. So only confirm if you trust this website. Like we said, Pump.fun, we trust this website. And then it says it's edit profile. We got username. You can put a bio if you like, and then go ahead and click on save. Alright, I need to just put in something here. I'm going to put in test and then click save. After this, we have successfully connected our Phantom wallet to Pump.fun. Alright, as you can see, I'm connected here.